Haircut. Don't give me a haircut. This is Happy. We rescued her from a butcher shop, yeah. Literally, someone else rescued her and then she's licking me. Oh god. Rabbits also lick, just like how doggies and puppies would. And in the animal kingdom, black animals get discriminated in terms of they don't get adopted as easily. When in fact, they are so adorable, right? See. And this lady is always bent on giving me a haircut. This is Happy, and another 1 minute, and we can put it on YouTube. Time for us to sleep. How relaxing, yeah. She's purring. Thanks for watching. Please